finally made it to Arizona on the shuttle bus. Early morning, everyone is right up, bright and early in the morning. We're headed to get our rental car and get our spring break trip started. Water park. So we ordered our drinks, and then look at hers, and look at mine. It's like every time I order drinks, for some reason mine's always come out looking better, but taste is what's important. So our food just came. Ariane got the scrambled egg, French toast, and some fruit. I got the French toast with chicken patty. Yeah, everything's looking great. Thank you. She got that French toast with the shrimp and grits. And Elijah got some French toast himself. Everything looks delicious. I'm about to go in. Look at mommy, smile. So we just checked into our room here at the Scottsdale Camelback Resort. Got a nice little living room area right here. TV right there. We got our kitchen right here. We got the bed, our bed gonna be right over here. Pretty decent, big size bed. And then we got a tub right here. Bathroom area. Your boy right there. And then we're gonna go upstairs to where the kids is at. They got their own little space up here. So this is the kids area right here. They got their bed. They got their own TV up here. You can see below us right here. And then I think they're out on the balcony area. He's excited. We got our picnic area. The sun finally came out, and we got a little barbecue pit area right there. Horseshoe. So it's a nice little spot. We like coming here. The sun is finally coming out, starting to warm up.
Attack! They're on our turf. Yeah.
So we're pulling up here to the Great Wolf Lodge. This is where we're taking the boys today. Great Wolf Lodge Indoor Water Park. Ooh. Looks pretty cool. Busy too. So we just came here inside Great Wolf Lodge. We're about to take pictures. This is so exciting. They got an outdoor pool too. crazy.
Woo!
Hey, we just sitting in the little kiddie pool while they having a blast. There's Ariana. Elijah!
Elijah, don't jump there again. We finally decided to come out here by the jacuzzi area. So the boys are doing an Easter egg thing for Easter. Over there wrapping their eggs. The boys are wrapping their eggs.
We're done with finishing up. We're on to the next.
So the boys just did their egg wrapping. She's helping out Elijah. That's so we're gonna try and make it into an egg.
Oh,
I mean a masterpiece egg. I'm sorry, Elijah.
are you dumping glue?
She's helping you. She's helping you. Yeah. That's an Elijah. No. Iron egg is nice. All the different colors. She's helping Elijah get his egg done.
Looks like it's full. You can't even call it.
Yeah. Elijah finished his egg. What's it called? Cinnamon man. Let me see him. Hold him up. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Finish his egg. And Ariana, let me see your egg. Hold it up. What's it called?
Eggy.
Huh?
Eggy.
Eggy. All right, cool. So good morning, everyone. We're doing an Easter egg hunt here with the boys. We're hot on the trail of some Easter eggs. Elijah, how many eggs you got? You got 4? Ariane got like 4 or 5. He got 4. We out here hunting for these eggs. All right, so we gotta go to the front desk now. And Hey, what's up? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, on the trail for these Easter eggs. Yes, sir. Get one, Elijah. What do you say? Alright, we gotta go to the pool now. What does it say? Go ahead, read, Ariane. What does it say? We got 1 candy, 1 souvenir, Elijah. Is that a, oh, wow, is that a pen? Ah, cool, you can draw. All right, Elijah, pick out a souvenir. Elijah, pick a souvenir. Big Sugar Jam live now. Got our favorite spot.
We got some little gummy bears from the owner and trying to champagne cola.
So our food is here. We got the jerk pasta. The boys are sharing with us. It's delicious. And oh yeah, some oxtail. The boys are out here playing.
You can't do this. Oh my God.